All right, today we're diving into a mind-blowing hack for Systeme.io. Seriously, this is a total game changer that lets you do something the platform was never, ever meant to do. It could completely flip how you think about building websites.
So let's get right to it with the big question. Can you actually build a full-blown e-commerce site with multiple products and a shopping cart on Systeme.io in basically one click? I mean, if you check the official features, the answer is a hard no. But what if there's a secret way to do it anyway? To really get why this is such a huge deal, we have to look at the big problems with System.io first. Don't get me wrong, it's a fantastic marketing tool, but for years it's had some major limitations that have driven e-commerce folks crazy. There are really three main roadblocks. First, and this is the big one, there's no add to cart button. You can sell a single product, sure, that's fine, but a real store where people can browse around and add a bunch of things to their cart? Nope, not possible. Second, it doesn't have any built-in AI to help you write or design anything. And third, there's no magic button to build a website for you. You have to drag and drop every single little piece into place yourself. And get this, it's not just users who thought this was impossible. The source material for this explainer points out that Systema.io itself officially said this kind of thing just couldn't be done on their platform. And that's exactly what makes the solution so incredible. So how in the world do you get around these massive roadblocks? Well, the secret is an AI-powered hack. And it all boils down to one simple prompt you can give to a free AI tool. Just think about the difference for a second. The old way was a total slog, right? You're manually dragging and dropping every little box, writing all your text in another program, and at the end of the day, your site is still pretty limited. The new way? You write one sentence in plain English, and a friendly AI just hands you the code for the entire website, shopping cart and all. And you know the best part? You don't need any expensive software for this. This whole trick works with some amazing AI tools that are 100% free. We're talking ChatGPT, Claude AI, and a few others. The example in our source actually used Claude, but honestly, any of them should work just fine. So how does this actually work? It might sound super technical, but I promise you, it's incredibly simple. Let's break the whole thing down into just 3 easy-to-follow steps. Okay, step 1 is all about the prompt. You just open up your AI of choice and you tell it what you want, just like you're talking to a person. Something like, hey, create a website for me to sell my online courses. My audience is in Nigeria and Kenya. Write all the headlines, the benefits, even some testimonials for me. The AI will go, okay, and it won't just write the text. It'll spit out the entire HTML code for the whole site. Now for the magic. You need to add that e-commerce power, right? Well, you don't need to write a single line of code. You just go right back to that same chat and ask a simple follow-up, like, okay, that's great. Now, can you add a shopping cart to that code you just gave me? The AI remembers what it did and just updates the code with a fully working cart. It's that easy. All right, final step. Let's get this thing live. You just go into System.io and create a brand new empty funnel. Delete everything on the page so it's a blank canvas. Then you find the one little element called raw HTML, drag it onto the page, copy all that code the AI gave you, and paste it right into that box. Then you just hit save. And that is literally it. The second you hit save, your complete custom AI-designed e-commerce website is live and working on System.io. A thing that was supposed to be impossible or would have taken a developer weeks to build is now done in minutes. So let's take a step back. What does a hack like this actually mean for you and your business? Well, the implications are just huge. And this right here is probably the most powerful part of all. You need exactly 0 coding or design skills to pull this off. None. If you can describe what you want in a sentence, you can build a professional website. This little trick unlocks a whole new world for you. All of a sudden, you can build real multi-product e-commerce stores. You can create totally unique AI-generated designs in a snap. You can launch websites in minutes, not weeks. Oh, and yeah, the code it generates is already mobile-friendly right out of the box. Most importantly, this can save you literally thousands of dollars you would have spent on developers and designers. So, this all leaves us with a pretty wild thought to chew on. We just saw how a simple conversation with an AI can build a fully functioning e-commerce website that the creators of the platform said was impossible. So the real question is, if AI can do this for us today, what on earth is it going to be building for us tomorrow?